Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to add Gmail in Facebook or how to add email in Facebook. So, let's dive right in. To begin, launch the Facebook app on your phone and log in if needed. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. On the next page, tap Settings. Now, here in Meta Account Center, tap on See More in Account Center option. On the next screen, tap Personal Information. Select Contact Info to view your current email address and phone number. Here, you will find your existing email address and phone number you have added. To add a new email address, tap on Add New Contact option at the bottom. Then, choose Add Email Address to proceed. Now, in the Provided to field, you can add your new email address to proceed. This email address will add it to your Facebook profile, and you can also use it for login to your Facebook account. And there you have it. With this method, you can add email in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tutorials. Thanks for watching,